Hey everybody, it's Matt Paula and Michael Bowman, and we're back here to do another video here about some standard off products. And as we were going through our library of videos, we realized we don't have a lot about our ball washers.
We don't. So Matt, we do have 3 ball washers.
We do.
Tell me a little bit more about this one.
This is our classic ball washer. It's our most economically friendly ball washer. Comes in 6 different colors, though we can do some custom colorization if you wish. 4 golf balls will fit in here. So if you've got a guy or you're one of those courses where you have a lot of ball hunters, ball hawkers, and they come up with a pile of dirty golf balls, this is for you. Fits 4 at a time, crank them, get them out. And one neat feature too is we can logo these ball washers, and if you get at least 9, the logoing's free. So if you're into having some logos, this is a great way to do it, and it's the most economical ball washer that we have.
Matt, let's talk about this next ball washer. What is it?
It's our Medalist ball washer. So this one, most recently, we went to a matte color. So all these ball washers will no longer have the glossy paint. They'll be a matte color, and all the tops are going to be black. So just remember that if you order a red, green ball washer, the top is black. Only the black one will be completely black. So this is the Medalist ball washer.
Matt, let's move into our 3rd ball washer. This one feels really, really sturdy and nice. Tell me about it.
Yeah, the Premier ball washer. This one is kind of the granddaddy here. Again, we went with the matte finish, and all the tops will be black, which is pretty cool. But this is customizable as well with our dome resin decal. So they come 3 ways. The normal way they'll come is with a black decal like this with the standard off logo. You can get it blank, so there's no decal, or of course you can get them customized with your own logo. Perhaps you're selling hole sponsorships, things of that nature, or your course wants their logo or a tournament logo. So they're pretty cool that you can do in that regard as well.